your thick myocardium. And then the outermost layer will be this. This is your pericardium. Okay? Yan ang inyong pericardium. So identify layer at pointer. This is your epicardium. Okay? So identify layer at this pointer. This is your epicardium. Layer at pointer. This one is your myocardium. And then this thin layer here, that would be your endocardium. Now, we go on them one by one. We start with endocardium. Okay? So we look at them in low power field. You know that the endocardium has 3 specific layers, right? Okay, you have your lining epithelium, which is simple squamous epithelium. And then underneath, you have your subendothelium. Okay, so underneath, you have your subendothelium. And then where you have this specialized muscle for conduction, this is your subendocardium. So, anong layer magmula dyan hanggang dyan? This is your endocardium. And what is this specific layer again? That's your endothelium. What's the lining epithelium of your endothelium? Simple squamous. Ayan o. Diba? Pag tinignan mo yan sa high power field, when you look at it on high power field, you will see it is lined by simple squamous cell. Diba? That's your endothelium. And then underneath will be your subendothelium. And where you have this is a specialized cardiac muscle for conduction. These are examples of your Purkinje cells. Okay? There are your Purkinje cells forming your Purkinje fibers. Ayan, Purkinje. P-U-R-K-I-N-J-E. Purkinje fibers. Okay, your Purkinje cells, when they form fibers, their axons, they form Purkinje fibers. Okay? Anong layer sila nakalocate? What layer are they found located? Layer. Endocardium. What specific layer are they located? Subendocardium. Nakukuha section apple. Okay. And then this is your cardiac muscle cells or your cardiac muscles. Diba? They are arranged in, again, bundles. Diba? Sana nga nakalocate ang nucleus nila? Where is the nucleus located? Centrally located. Number of nucleus. Mononucleated. What is the shape again? Shape. Cylindrical. Commonly, they are branching. Diba? And then you would have to locate again for your intercalated disc. Okay? Hanapin niyo ulit ang intercalated disc. Commonly, it bisects your cardiac muscle cells. Ano-ano na nga yung mga junctional complex na nakikita sa intercalated disc, class? What are the junctional complexes found composing your
Gap junction.
intercalated disc? Section apple. Gap junction or your nexus. What else? What
Junction.
else? You have your ano pa? Uy! Wala na, yun lang,
Desmosomes.
gap junction lang. It is mainly made up of gap junction, but what else do you see there? You see your macula adherens or your desmosome. And you see what else? Zonula adherens or your belt desmosome or intermediate junction or fascia adherens. Hanapin natin ang ito yung Pilipino ko kanina. Ito, isa yan. Ito yun.
Wala yung microscope.
Ayaw niya sa inyo.
Yes.
Ako ba yun?
Tinaway niyo ata eh.
Ako ba yun?
Tinaway mo ba?
Dali na.
Nililigawan kasi niya.
Tingnan ko ito isa.
Hindi ako. Ay, akala ko. Akala ko ako.
Natin na siya pumasok. Lahat umiwas, gano'n.